Hello there viewers, that's another quick video from Quick Fix Auto. What you're looking at here is a very rusted engine block inside. This is the water pump cutout. Once I remove the water pump on this one, you can see for yourself how rusty it is. It's really bad. I believe this is not just here, it's inside as well. As you can see, all the liners and everything. Sorry about this angle, trying to get my camera focused, but anyway, you get the idea. It's all rusted, the paint is lifting up, and then this is what happens when you don't change your coolant often. I mean, manufacturers, they recommend different mileages, but I recommend whatever the kind of coolant you're using, how much strength abilities they have. It's always a good idea to change your coolant every 100,000 kilometers, or I don't know, 65,000 miles or something. And also you got to use not just tap water, you got to use demineralized water, because if you don't use it, the minerals gonna get attached to the block as well, like this the same way, but this is not the case here. This is just a rust. So the coolant got couple of properties built into them. One of them is rust inhibitors, so it inhibits rust building up inside the engine block and saves your liners, water pumps, even the head gaskets. Cars do fail head gaskets just without overheating or anything. I've seen that more in my life. That's just because this rust, it just lifts up the sealing surfaces and can't seal anymore longer, just because of this rust. So it's a hidden danger inside your engine, so people probably won't think about it much. It's always better to have your coolant change every now and then with every major service. Until then, see you guys, bye.